Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 770 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. First thing is we want to put this headphones into pairing mode, okay? So if we look at the buttons here, we have a power button here. Let's first turn this on. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Wait till the light turns on. Power on. It said connected. Okay, now what I want is to put it in a pairing mode. What I want is a blue blinking light. Okay, I don't have a blue blinking light right here. It said connected because it's actually connected to one of my other phones here. So in order for me to put this in a pairing mode, what I can do is go to my Android phone here, and I can go to the Bluetooth list, and I can unpair the device. If you're on an iPhone, you forget. If you're on a TV, it may be remove or delete. But as soon as I take it off the pairing list on my Android phone, then this will automatically start blinking blue, and I can connect to my iPhone here. Okay, now another way that we can go ahead and put this into pairing mode without disconnecting or removing the Bluetooth list from our Android phone is what we can do is just tap the button here, the power button twice while it's on. Okay, so it's on right here. I'm going to tap twice now. 1, 2. Pairing. It said pairing. Now it's blinking in blue. Now it's in pairing mode, and that's exactly what we want. Okay, so from here, while it's in pairing mode, we're going to go to our iPhone here. You want to go to settings, and then you want to go to your Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, under other devices, you see that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And you can see the JBL Tune 770 NC popped up. So from here, it found it. So let me tap right there. It said connected, and you can see that we're connected right there as well. And you can see the volume rockers working. Okay, so we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.